No, this is yours. Merry Christmas. Don't open it yet.
Not you first, not you.
Are you guys opening more gifts? Huh? You've got to be kidding me.
And I need some Scotch tape.
You have got to be kidding me.
More Scotch tape?
Nope. We saved it. Yeah. Darren, that's the drawer there. Don't
Darren,
open
can
it
you
yet.
get in the drawer in there? Or no, right around in the buffet. There's some Scotch, right around to the left. There's some Scotch tape.
Oh.
And so you have to come out of the way.
Look at TV.
Hey, Darian, stand up and just stand there. Put both hands on the top. There you go. Can you just wait? Don't lean on it. You'll fall. Don't lean on it.
This is Danica.
Daddy?
Danica. Oh. Stand up behind her.
You might want to come in here, please.
Okay.
Melody.
Yeah, big.
Stand up too, honey, so we can see you.
Yours is I got the little.
It's alright. At least you got one, right?
Hey, hey,
That's the
here's
door.
the Santa Claus you can get a hold of.
Open it.
Not yet.
Mine.
Okay, Jackie.
Mine.
I'll just take a picture quick.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
I have a
Okay, put it up. I just want to take a picture of you real quick.
Look at Aunt Darla.
Look at Dora, say popsicle.
Popsicle!
A red one. Okay, go ahead.
I need a knife.
What's that? Need a knife.
Yeah. I got it!
Wow. What is it? Something exciting, huh? Boy, oh boy, what a Christmas. You spoiled little jerk.
Icy? No, you
Not like
didn't.
that, you don't. No, you don't.
What do you tell Aunt Darla, Uncle Gary? What's that, Dane?
Snap, snap.
Can't get this part done.
Here's the key.
Just slide it up over.
But this one's fine. Be careful, don't lose this.
Oh, what is that? A closet?
The doll face.
Isn't that cute?
The closet for your doll clothes.
Cut this one?
Darian, get.
How much I have in the
What'd you get?
Those are yours right here.
Dane, hold it up. What is it?
What's that for, Danica?
That was one that Dalton said. Dalton, did you see what Dane got? He just pointed to the helicopter. Okay.
Wow, that's neat.
Too many.
We're in your closet. Hey, Danica.
This is mine.
What are they? Be careful.
Here, bring it over here. I'll get it. That's yours, honey. That's yours. Yours and Dane's.
Hanger.
Over here.
Here.
Oh, there you go. Over here.
Go get your box.
Give them to Mommy.
I want to get off the ground.
What do you say to Aunt Darla, Uncle
Thank
Gary?
you.
That was really nice. Just wait here
Yes.
until we're done.
Thank you, Aunt Darla.
Oh, Gary. That's Uncle Gary too.
Thank you, Uncle Dale.
You're welcome.
Wait. Oh, let me cut the box open for you.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it has tape on it. In these little closets,
Yeah.
Gary drilled holes because they open right on the floor, and there's little doorknobs that screw in on the bottom, so they sit up off the floor.
Oh, okay.
So the doorknobs are inside.
I think that's yours.
No. Wait. Danica.
Thank you.
Yeah, honey, that's
That's what you wanted, isn't it, Dane? Aunt Darlin.
That's between you and Dane. Yeah,
I think it might be a different
that's all from Mystic Island. That's the video from Mystic Island, and all the stuff they got is from that.
Well, you got the Misty Island last year. I think that was that last year.
Did I?
I think so. Yeah.
Same thing?
I don't think so. What's that one called?